Welcome to another episode of Bespoke Architects Design in Detail. This is the Loch Renovation, located in East Geelong. We designed and documented this project in 2012-2013. The clients purchased this home in 1997, which had previously been renovated in 1992 prior to having children. As you can see in this aerial image, where the house with the little triangle off the back, which is actually not a really functional space to furnish or to occupy. So the clients approached us about opening up the back section. You can see we've demolished that little triangle section. We've added a new gable section that ties in with the Edwardian, and we've added a pool, and the garage in the southwest corner remained, which is a good protection. So this is the 1992 renovation floor plan. You can see the Edwardian on the left hand side of the page, sort of bedrooms 2, 3, the living room, and what they're calling bedroom 4, and goes up to what must be a bedroom, and then they've got the dining, the laundry, and the kitchen is in that silly, what I will declare a silly triangle space. And this is the floor plan that we did. So we've turned the living room into the master suite, and what was the study down the bottom of the page on the northern boundary is now the ensuite and walk-in robe. And then at the back we've got the open plan kitchen, living and meals, which open up to the pool area in the west, and we've created a little courtyard off the master suite as well. So this is just some of the Edwardian detailing and LED light windows that are at the front of the property. And this image is the addition that we did at the back. So you can see we didn't do a lot of the same timber detailing, but we've done the weatherboard palette. The proportions of the windows match the existing, the weatherboard profile is the same. We repainted the property, and then we've added a new guest entry into that meals area from the driveway section, so that guests don't actually have to walk through the private zones or the bedroom zones to get to the entertaining area. These are a couple of the little windows that we added to the kitchen space. And then this is the new sort of undercover area that we placed outside that laundry door area. This is an image of the inside from the kitchen looking towards the new meals area. That's the new sliding doors from the dining room out to the al fresco and the living room. Doors out to that same al fresco. Beyond that is the pool fence. As you can see, the clients had a love of colour and some beautiful artwork. This is looking back into the old house from that new section that we added on. And you can see that the kitchen was in the shaker style. So the styling was very much in keeping with the Edwardian. We did a polished concrete floor in this section of the home, which you can see in this image here. And then the client softened that with all their beautiful furnishings and floral arrangements and colour. This is that existing dining room table that they had previously, so we made sure that fitted in the space, and it looks really lovely against the burnished concrete floor. And then this is the new living room that we made, and we did a cathedral style ceiling just to get some more light in. The client is a home cook that had just, again, beautiful styling on the client's part. This is a detail of the kitchen. It was possibly the most expensive splashback tile we've ever done. It's a glass mosaic tile. And then this is a detail of those ceiling spaces in the new addition area. The new little picture frame windows that face north, just catching glimpses of sunlight into that space. Here we are standing in the old section of the house in what is now one of the 2 sitting rooms that lead out to that kitchen. You can see there the door through to the laundry and the new powder room. And then this is the second sitting room, and it had a built-in library as well. And just, again, some really nice furnishings that reflect the clients, which is always nice to see. And then we're inside the master bedroom. The client's love of colour comes on the feature wall here. You can catch a glimpse in there through the walk-in robe to the ensuite. This is an image of that ensuite. So we didn't change the lead light window in this space, but we have tiled it, and we've gone for a very classic styling in that space. This is looking out of the master suite into that little courtyard that we created, and again just some window finishing details, and the old picture rails, everything remained in the existing Edwardian house. And so you'll see that the window detailing in the original was reflected in the new window in the dining room as well, with the little beading details. This is just looking back from the pool area towards that courtyard, the dining table or the outdoor dining table in the alfresco area here. And then this is the new pool space. So that's the existing garage. So you can see it ties back to the house. And then this is the new in-ground concrete pool that we did off the back of the house, which allows the cool breeze in summer to help cool the house down.